Hey kids, how are you doing? Teacher Anna back here. We are going to continue this subject, farm animals. First of all, we are going to listen to a song to remember the vocabulary that we worked last time about the animals that I have here behind me, and then we are going to make an activity. First of all, let's check it out, this song.
Bounce Patrol! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Welcome to the farm. Come meet our friends, they all live in the barn. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. How do you do?
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Good morning, Mr. Sheep. How do you do?
Bah!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Bah! Bah!
Good morning, Mrs. Donkey. How do you do?
Eeyaw! Eeyaw!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Eeyaw! Eeyaw!
Watch out for the tractor. I think I saw a snake.
Where?
Dancing by the lake. Do-do-do-do. 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 Good morning, Mr. Horse. How do you do?
Hey!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Nay! Nay!
Good morning, Mr. Pig. How do you do?
Oink, oink! Oink, oink!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Oink, oink! Oink, oink!
Good morning, Mrs. Mouse. How do you do?
Squeak, squeak! Squeak, squeak!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Squeak, squeak! Squeak, squeak!
Watch out for the tractor. I think I saw a chicken.
Where?
Dancing in the kitchen. Do-do-do-do. 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 Good morning, Mr. Dog. How do you do?
Woof, woof! Woof, woof!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Woof, woof! Woof, woof!
Good morning, Mrs. Duck. How do you do?
Quack, quack! Quack, quack!
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Quack, quack! Quack, quack!
Good morning, Mrs. Cow. How do you do?
Woo!
Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo.
Moo! Moo!
Watch out for the tractor. We're waving goodbye to our friends in the barn. Do-do-do-do. 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 Yeehaw!
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this song. Now we are going to make an activity about the animals that we saw. First of all, you're going to open the activity that I sent you. This is the activity. We are going to cut and paste those animals. They are farm animals. Here we have a pig, a hen or a chicken, a cow, and a horse. But we just have half of the animal. The other half is here. And then you have to cut and paste the right one. This is the activity for today's class. I hope you enjoy it. We are going to continue this subject, farm animals, in the next class. I see you there. Bye.